South Africa Business and Economic Focus, the 5th of July 2026. South Africa's economy continues to grow, but the recovery remains fragile. The country recorded a sixth consecutive quarter of expansion, with GDP increasing by 0.5% in the first quarter of 2026, up slightly from 0.4% in the final quarter of 2025. However, economists caution that the growth was largely driven by stronger net exports and a 3.9% rebound in agriculture rather than broad-based domestic investment. More concerning is that business spending on machinery, industrial equipment and data center infrastructure declined during the quarter, suggesting that many companies are still reluctant to commit significant capital amid ongoing economic uncertainty. That uncertainty is reinforced by the latest findings from Northwest University's Policy Uncertainty Index, which marks its 10th anniversary this week. While South Africa's coalition government has brought greater political stability, economists say businesses are still waiting for clearer and more predictable policy direction before committing to major long-term investments. The country's energy landscape is also evolving. As load shedding has become far less frequent, attention is shifting towards new challenges facing the renewable energy sector. Industry participants are increasingly focused on grid capacity, the complexities of electricity wheeling and the rising cost of municipal electricity tariffs as South Africa's solar industry continues to expand. In the corporate sector, Technology Investor Prosus has written down the value of its Stack Overflow investment by more than half, resulting in an impairment of around R6 billion. The move reflects the rapid impact that artificial intelligence is having on traditional online knowledge platforms and changing software development practices. Meanwhile, the Unemployment Insurance Fund remains under intense public scrutiny as concerns persist over governance shortcomings and administrative delays that continue to affect thousands of beneficiaries. Despite growing calls for intervention, proposals to place the UIF under administration have not yet been approved. There was more positive news in the mining sector, where more than R2.7 billion has now been paid to former mine workers and their families under historic class action settlement agreements. The payments mark another significant milestone in compensating workers affected by occupational lung diseases. In the Western Cape, housing advocates have welcomed a landmark High Court ruling declaring the sale of the Tafelberg site in Sea Point unlawful. The judgment is expected to have far-reaching implications for future urban development, reinforcing the importance of prioritizing social and affordable housing on well-located state-owned land.